here is the course content. Okay, first thing we will be learning core Java. Okay, and believe me, the better you get in core Java, easier for you to do Selenium. Okay, better you get in the core Java, it's easier for you to learn the Selenium. Okay, that's the most important thing. Now the second thing what we'll be learning is Selenium WebDriver. This is the second thing what we'll be learning, guys. Okay, the third thing what we'll be learning is TestNG framework. Okay, that is a unit testing framework called TestNG framework. And the fourth thing is, and apart from that, there are some other topics, other minute tools which we will be seeing. Okay, but these are the main tools, guys. Okay, now once we are done with all these things, TestNG Selenium, okay, we will be learning something called a Selenium grid. Selenium grid. Okay, once we learn the Selenium grid, I will be helping you guys create Selenium hybrid framework. Okay, and if at all you are understanding when, and one thing is for sure, you will be able to understand 100% of whatever topics I'm saying. You'll be able to know 100% of those whatever I'm saying. Okay, 100%, there is no doubt about it. But if at all you can, you will be better only when you practice. Okay, so whatever I'm teaching you, if at all you can by yourself, if you can do around 60% of what I am doing, okay, then believe me guys, you can put up to 4 years of experience in Selenium itself. In Selenium itself you can put up to 4 years of experience. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, and when you develop this hybrid framework, I will not be taking this hybrid framework, something called as makemytrip.com, okay, or else IRCTC. Okay, this is what they do in most of the most of the institutes. Okay, they will try to just automate some basic sites like Make My Trip. Okay, something. Okay, but here that will not be done. You will be automating a proper full-fledged application called EasyPod. Okay, that is, it is hosted on the testing environment. Okay, and this is that application. I'll be giving you the login username, login password. Okay, it has a lot of things, okay, inside it. So all those things will be doing. Okay, so this will be your application wherein you will be writing the Selenium framework, guys. Okay, it has a lot of things inside it. Okay, not able to log in, I'm not sure about the password. Okay, now this Selenium framework, that whatever you're gonna develop, okay, you'll be going to develop on this live project. Okay, live project. This is about the syllabus, guys. In a it's kind of overview of the syllabus. Okay, I'm not telling each and everything. Okay, so if you want, I can send you the entire syllabus by evening. By evening I should be able to send you the entire syllabus. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. Okay, this is my previous class. Okay, I have to convert this class into recordings. Okay, so it's going on. Okay, just ignore that if you see that pop up sometime in between. Okay, now as I said, first is core Java, guys. Okay, now when I talk about core Java, and you'll be getting the recorded videos of all the sessions that you attend. Okay, or even if you don't attend, you'll be getting the recorded session. Okay, when you say core Java, okay, there is something called as Java development kit. Okay, they say Java development kit. Okay, and there is also something called as Java runtime environment. These two things are there, guys. Okay, Java development kit and Java runtime environment. I'll not be going through this one right now. Okay, I will be telling you some basic stuff. Okay, now Say there is a program called A, and I'm not teaching you Java here. In today's class, I'm teaching you something called as how, what are the steps involved in running a Java application. That is what we'll be discussing, guys. What are the steps involved in running Java application? Okay, any doubt, guys? Anyone? Angel or Kiruba?
No, Vishal.
Okay, perfect. All right.
Will
Yeah.
you be explaining about JDK and Java runtime environment anytime in the future, or?
Yes, I will be explaining in tomorrow's class, or before I can start off with programming, I'll be telling you what is JDK, what is JRE. Okay, that I'll be telling you guys. Okay,
Fine.
yeah. But first of all, I wanted to tell you, because it's like if I tell you about the compilation, no, then I can link compilation and execution, how to run a program. Then it's better for me to link this to why JDK is there and why JRE is there, where the JDK will be used and where the JRE will be used. Okay, so that is the thing.
Okay.
All right, now, and again, I'm telling you, I'm not teaching you how to write the Java program today. Whatever you're gonna see, okay, like this. Okay, I'll create one plain text file, and I will say its name is bash27. Okay, bash27.txt, and I will write something in this. Okay, don't worry what is this. Okay, say I will write public class batch 2727, something like this. I am not teaching you what is this class, what is this public, nothing I'm teaching you guys. Okay, consider I'm writing something. Okay, today in today's class, that is not the intention to teach you guys what is public, what is this class, and what is this bash 27. That is not the idea. Okay, to cover the in today's class. Okay, today's class, just you have to see what is compilation and what is execution. And I'm writing something like public static void main. Okay, and I'm writing something like string args. That's it. And I will, after that, I will write something like system dot out dot println, and I will give here, all guys. Okay, that is what I'm giving, guys. Okay, and Kiruba and Angel, okay, both of you, don't be worried what is this public. Okay, and believe me, okay, at the end of the thing, you will be one of the masters in these things. Okay, and that's my promise. Okay, but as of now, if I tell you what is this public, what is this static, what is this void, I will be probably be confusing you. Okay, and I won't be teaching you right now what is this public, static, void. Okay, nothing. Just consider this is something mandatory, and this is just something mandatory what I have to write. Okay, and just consider at this point of time, if you write system.out.println, you can print something on the console. Only this thing you remember. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, it's just a plain text file. Okay, plain notepad. That's it. Now I will change its thing into, instead of txt, I will change it into .java dot java, and it will say, are you sure you wanna do this? You say yes. Now the same notepad, instead of txt, I have changed its extension from notepad txt to java. That's what you're gonna see here. Okay, nothing else I did. And don't worry what I have typed, only just consider, if I write like this system.out.println, it prints me Hello guys, that's it. Now, and I have not told you how to configure Java on your computer. That I'll be telling you guys when I talk about what is JDK, what is JRE, how to install Java on your computer. That I'll be teaching you, okay? And most probably in tomorrow's class I'll be teaching those things for sure. Okay, now here is the thing guys. I have something called as batch27.java. Now, running any Java program, you need following two steps. Okay, first one is something called as, say this is your program. What is that program called? Program name is batch27.java. Now the question is, how will you execute this particular program? That's the question. How will you execute this particular program? First step in executing this particular program, this is called, this particular file, whatever you are seeing, this is also called as source file, because this is the source code which we have written guys. Okay, this is also called as source file, and the name can be anything. Right now I have given batch27. You can give any name of your choice. The naming convention also we will see. Okay, the first letter should be capital, all those things we will be seeing guys. Okay, but as of now just remember, name can be anything. So what is the first step guys? First step is compiling this Java program. I have this program right here. How will I compile this Java program? Okay, and whatever we are learning today guys, you won't be doing it manually anytime when you join any industry. Tomorrow you work for any company, even if at all you are a Java developer, you are a Selenium developer, or you are working on Spring or Hibernate, you will not be using whatever I'm teaching you in today's class. I mean to say, you will not be manually compiling it and manually running it. Everything will be automated. Okay, at least the compilation will be automated guys. But that is where your, when I initially said what is Eclipse, okay, here you see guys, Eclipse is there. That will be doing all those things. But if I directly teach you Eclipse, then you might not be understanding what is happening behind the scene. And believe me guys, if you know what is happening behind the scene, it gives you a lot of confidence. Okay, that is the main reason I'm telling you how to compile and how to run a Java program. But in real life, you will not be doing it. You will be using some editor like Eclipse. What is Eclipse? I'll be telling you guys. Don't be worried at this point of time. Okay. So let's first check how to go ahead and compile a Java program. Our Java program name is bash27.java. And I'm opening the command prompt cmd. And anyone having Linux or Mac OS among you? No, right? Okay, perfect. If you have Mac OS, any one of you having Mac OS, okay, then you can definitely contact me. I'll tell you how to do this compilation and execution. It's more or less the same. But when you use Eclipse, there is no difference. Okay, whether you use Mac OS or the Windows or Linux, okay, it doesn't matter. First of all, I'm in C users Vishala. Okay, I have to go to, okay, this has nothing. Now I have to go to what drive guys? F drive, correct? So I will say F colon, and this has nothing to do with the Java. Okay, just this is how you will go to some drive. I have this file in F drive. Okay, now I am in this particular location in my Java program. All I need to do is, this is how the compilation happens guys. Okay, compilation, you will say Java C space batch 27 dot Java and press enter on your keyboard. Do you guys see when I compile this? Do you guys see something else got generated? It says batch 27 dot class. See, I'm deleting that and I'm running this command again. See, I'm just pressing enter and you guys try to concentrate here. There'll be one more file which will get generated. Okay. See, the one more file got generated that says batch27.class. Now the question is, what is this batch27.class, guys? So what I have written here, I have written this particular process is called compilation. Okay, this is called as compilation. And how will you compile it, guys? You will do Java C space file name dot Java. This is how. What is the file name? That is batch batch 27.java. Okay, this is how you will compile a Java code. And what is the result of this compilation, guys? The result of this compilation is this file. What is this? batch27.class. This is the result of that compilation, batch27.class. This is called bytecode, guys. This is called bytecode. Okay, and believe me, whatever compilation we just did, that you will not be doing in real life, guys. Okay, I just wanted to, but it's very important to know, guys, what is happening behind the scene, how a Java program gets compiled, how it is executed. It's very important to know, guys. Okay, this is called as bytecode, guys. Now once you have the bytecode, how will you go ahead and execute the bytecode? That's the question, guys. Okay, now any doubt, guys, any doubts before I proceed further, feel free.
No, Vishal.
Okay, what about you, Kiriba? Any doubt?
No, Vishal. No doubts.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, thanks, guys. Okay, but feel free if at all you have any doubts. Okay, and yeah, that's the thing. Now fine, we got the bytecode. Okay, and it is right here, guys. Okay, and more information of about the bytecode I will be telling you guys. Okay, don't worry. Let me just open this bytecode file. Okay, this is what source code we had written. If I open the bytecode, it is not in human readable language. See, it's in human. It's not in human readable language. It says something. So first question to you guys is, whatever bytecode that we got, bytecode. Okay, bytecode. What is the bytecode? Bash 27 dot bytecode. What is that file name? Batch 27 dot class. The question is this the machine language? That's the first question, guys. Is this the machine language? The answer is no. It's not the machine language. Okay, so bytecode, if you open, it's not in zeros and ones. It is in something we don't know, but it is definitely not machine language. That is the first thing you have to know. Bytecode is not the machine language. Generally, when you see the C programming or some other programming, whenever something gets compiled, it gets converted into machine language. That's what we have seen. That is not the case in Java, guys. When in Java, when you compile the source code, something called as bytecode gets generated, not the machine code. Bytecode gets generated, guys. Okay, that's one of the important thing to know. All right, now how will I execute this bytecode? Because ultimately our program, if you see, I had written something that, if not this, if I see this, I am saying I have to write something called as hello guys on the console. So for that I have to execute it, and you cannot directly execute this source code. So first you have to compile it, convert it into a bytecode, and then execute it, guys. All right. Now, if that is the case, I can write something like this. Now, how will I execute the bytecode? Okay, so bytecode is here. All you need to do is Java space batch 27, Java space batch 27, and press enter. I'm not saying Java batch 27 dot class. I'm just saying Java dot batch 27. Enter. Here is the output, guys. This is the output of this program. So, thing to understand is, once you execute the bytecode, you will get the desired output, guys. If you execute the bytecode, you will get the desired output. Okay, so once you get the bytecode, you have a process called execution. And how do you execute, guys? How do you execute a Java bytecode? You will say Java space batch 27. That's it. You will not say batch 27 dot class. And when you execute it, in the process, it gets converted into something called as machine language. Okay, it gets converted into machine language when you execute it, and then the actual execution happens. And then you will get the final output. This is all is involved in execution of a Java program, guys. Okay, there are two steps. One is compilation and the second one is execution. Any doubts, anyone, Angel or Kiruba?
You said on the execution time it gets converted as a machine language, right?
Correct.
So for that also a separate file will be generated, something like your bytecode, or
No, there will not be a separate file which will get generated when you execute the bytecode. It will directly fed it into your what is that, processor. Okay, it will convert it into machine language. It will be directly fed. We will not be getting any file, guys.
okay, we will not be able to see anything.
Correct, that's right. Any other doubt, anyone? Kiruba, any doubt? Are you able to are you guys able to hear me clearly, or was there any much problem? Sometimes is it dropping down or something like that?
No.
No.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, so this is what is involved in just a minute, let me create right 27. Okay, not this, sorry. Compilation and execution. Okay, so I'm just storing it. Okay, so that is the thing, because I have to send it to other guys as well, and these are the two important things that will be involved when you are using something called as Java programming language. And they say a lot of things about Java. Okay, they say it's platform independent, it is secure. Okay, you will learn all those things. It is object oriented, it is encapsulated, all these things. We will, what is encapsulation, what is abstraction, we'll be seeing in, in our future classes. Okay, but today's section was only to give you an hour of training. Okay, and just to check if your the network what you are on, is it proper to listen to this online training or not. Okay, and just to give you overview of how execution happens and how the compilation happens in the Java programming language, guys. Okay, so that is all about it in today's session. Okay, and if you guys are attending tomorrow's session, probably I will be telling you, see, everything can be done in these kinds of what do you call this, everything can be written in a plain text file, but like this. Okay, plain text file, any Java program. But that is not something which they do in the industry. In the industry, they use some kind of tool called as Eclipse or some other tool that they will be using. And why we have to go ahead and use that tool, that you will understand in tomorrow's class. Okay, that is the main thing, guys. Any doubts, anyone? And see, this class is for someone those who wants to really put experience in Selenium. Okay, and with this course, okay, whatever I have discussed here, it's not detailed one, okay, at the top, but with this course, you can definitely put up to 4 years of experience in Selenium itself. And it is not just interview point of view, guys. It is apart from the interview point of view. Tomorrow you are joining any company. Okay, I can guarantee you that if at all you are understanding or you are able to do whatever I'm doing, okay, you can even handle a team of Selenium developers. Okay, to such a level I can bring you, provided you put in your efforts at least half an hour per day. Because if you lose the touch, then no one can help you. That is the basics about this particular training. Okay, that is what I have observed all these years. Okay, if you lose the touch, then you will tend to forget the things. Okay, so that is all about it. Okay, any doubt, anyone?
Nothing from my side, Vishal, but I just wanted to confirm again with you. I
Mhm.
have no experience in Java. It's just that what I have learned in my college.
Okay,
So it is fine, right, if I take up this training. Like, so
absolutely fine. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, Angel, okay, uh, one thing I can guarantee you that it starts from very basic. Okay, very basic. And when I told you, okay, when I even told you this, sorry, not this, batch 27, I have told you, okay, not to worry about this one I will be teaching you guys. Okay, okay, even this system, what is the system out, everything will be taught. Okay, and what I'm trying to say is, see, anyway, you know just attend some demo classes. Okay, so take this weekend, again the next weekend, see whether you are understanding or not. And if you really feel that, okay, no Vishal, this is not for me, or Vishal, this is not something what I wanted, or your teaching is not good, it's up to you. Okay, so you can just attend the demo class. All you will be losing is just some couple of hours. Okay, nothing more than that. That's what I'm saying. And my role is, I mean, what, not the role, what I can say is, the idea is to bring in a person who has zero knowledge about, what is that, Java. Okay, I can make him to put up to 4 years of experience, provided he puts at least 30 minutes per day practicing whatever I'm teaching. Okay, that is all I'm asking from you guys, and I can make you one of the best person in Selenium with core Java. Okay, and one more thing is, if at all you are learning this Selenium properly, okay, and I really feel that, if at all you are learning this Selenium, okay, I might give you this APM course. Okay, APM course free of cost, without charging you anything for this APM course. Okay, you guys know what is APM?
No.
Okay, APM is for mobile app automation. Okay, how the Selenium was in 2011, APM is
Uh-huh.
slowly taking the market share from, there were tools like C test and all, okay, to do mobile automation. Now APM is coming because it's open source, and it is built on top of Selenium, what you call this, Selenium API. Okay, so if you learn the Selenium properly, the APM you can put 10 more days and you can learn APM. Okay, that is the beauty. Okay, so I might give you this APM course free of cost, provided you are decent in, I don't want you to be, the expert in Selenium to be eligible for APM course. No, if at all you are decent enough, I can give you this APM course free of cost. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. Okay,
Okay.
see, and one more thing. Okay, I always suggest every one of you, don't be in manual for more days, guys. Okay, that is it's a risk, okay, for your career. Okay, so APM and Selenium are not competitor for each other. Selenium is for browser automation and the APM is for mobile app automation. Okay, that is the thing, guys. Okay, and believe me, okay, if at all you are learning Selenium properly, you might not need anyone, you might not even need my help to learn the APM course. Okay, so it will be more or less the same. Okay, hardly around 10% deviation from what you already learned. That's it. Okay, and this framework, hybrid framework, what I'm talking about, it will have the following things. Okay, it will incorporate all the things whatever we learned: core Java, Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, and Selenium Grid. Also it will have, the reporting structure. Nothing will be manual, guys. Okay, even the HTML report, okay, HTML reporting, okay, that will be inbuilt into the tool, guys. Okay, so the idea is, that's the reason I said, idea is not to learn what is Selenium. Idea is to make you put experience of up to 4 years of experience in Selenium itself. Okay, and I believe me, guys. Okay, you guys can do that. Okay, it's not a real rocket science or something. Okay, it's very easy, provided you should know what to do and how to do. That is all it takes. It will have the HTML reporting, reading data from Excel, and taking screenshot. Okay, okay, everything. Okay, version control. Have you guys heard of something called as GitHub or SVN?
I've heard of it.
You heard of SVN, right? Okay, so I will be, see, it's the, when I say, I will be, how do I say that, you will be able to put 4 years of experience in Selenium to using this? That's because I'm giving you everything. Even I will be teaching you either GitHub or the SVN, either one of these two. Okay, and most of the time I prefer SVN. Okay, means SVN, not the way what you guys used in manual testing. Maybe you are checking in the files. Okay, no, how to check in the code, how to check out the code. Okay, how to create your repository, everything will be taught, guys. Okay, it's like, a proper person who is a test lead or a tech lead in a company, kind of, CMML level 5 company, what he will know, you will know much more better than Okay, that's my guarantee. So all I'm saying is attend some demo classes and then decide whether you want to continue with this training or not. Okay, that is all it is. Okay, so that's the thing. Any other doubt, Angel or Kiruba?
Nothing from my side, Vishal.
Okay, Kiruba, what about you?
No doubts, Vishal.
Perfect. Okay, so that is all about it. So Angel, you are from where exactly in Tamil Nadu? Because Kiruba is from Coimbatore. So where you are from?
Uh, I'm from a place called Nagarkoil. It's in
Oh,
Kanyakumari
Nagarkul.
district.
I know Nagarkul. Yeah. Okay, I heard of it. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
thing. Okay, okay. So you're from there. Okay. So tomorrow I might have one more student, and she's again from she's again from Coimbatore, and one more student from Chennai. Okay. So you'll see, and I will not be having more than 6 students in a batch. Okay, that's the thing, and that's all about it, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, if at all you are joining tomorrow's class, okay, you can use the same link if at all you guys are interested in joining. If not, it's up to you guys. Okay, and I really appreciate your time for joining this today's batch. Okay, and thanks a lot, guys. Okay, any doubt? Last?
Nothing. Tomorrow also it's at the same time, 3 o'clock?
Yeah, it's at the same time. It's 3 o'clock. Yes, that's right.
Okay. Fine,
Okay.
fine, Vishal.
All right,
Thank you.
guys. Okay, thanks a lot. And I'll send you this recorded session. I'll upload it in YouTube and I'll send you the recorded sessions. Okay, and not just this particular session, all the sessions, whatever that you attend, or you sometimes say you are stuck up somewhere in your office or something and you are not able to make it to the class. Okay, I will be sending you the recorded session, guys. Okay, so absolutely no need to worry. Okay, all those recorded sessions will be there with you for lifetime. Okay, that's the thing. All right, guys. Thanks a lot and take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Vishal.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.